Here I have GIGASET GS160, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to tap the apps icon right here, find and select the settings. Here I have settings. So afterwards you have to scroll down and under personal tab, choose language and input. Select language, and this is the full list of available languages that you can use on this device. So let's just say that you would like to change your language from English to Spanish, so let's tap on Español, for example from España, and as you can see now the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. If you would like to go back to the previous version, so to the English one, let's find and select Ajustes, scroll down and right here under Personal choose Idioma y Traducción de Texto, tap Idioma one more time, and from the following list choose English, for instance from United Kingdom. And that's it, now everything is in English. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.